Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today we're going to be learning English using comprehensible input. Bucket, calm, shady, park in reptile. Every 2 golden hour. Deport me like overall, noodles, brittle, relaxed here. Untouched, camouflaged, right? Start the word count and let's go. Okay guys, so we're heading to Lumpini Park, which is the biggest park in Bangkok, right?
Yep.
Facts. Let's head there right now. We're about to get on the train there. You can see right now we're on the platform. The train comes every 2 minutes. But you think if I jump down there, I'll be able to come out or get out? And it's not that far, but I think they would arrest me if I jump down there. They'd be like,
yeah, no, pack it up, we're deporting you.
Well, there's cameras everywhere too.
oh no, they would deport me like on sight, I think.
And there's a security guard right there.
Yeah, I gotta be careful for that one. But don't worry, I don't have a death wish, so I'm not gonna jump there. But we're gonna take the train and then head to Lumpini. If you want to build a strong English foundation fast, then get my 3,000 most common English words PDF. You'll learn the most important words that cover up to 95% of everyday English with clear definitions, real examples, and easy organization by topic and CEFR level. Click the link in the description. So we've just got to the park.
Lumpini, right?
Lumpini. So that's the biggest park in Bangkok. And there are a lot of people running. I think it's like pretty popular spot to run. And there's a road here, but I'm almost 100% certain you can't actually drive here. It's just for people running or walking or anything like that. So
I think you're right.
you'd see a lot of people like jogging too, all ages. And the park is pretty big. Like there's also a lake over there. You can see, or not a lake, sorry, like a pond. You have some nice high-rise apartments here.
Yeah, these has got to be premium.
These apartments are definitely quite expensive. And they probably have rooftop bars. Have you been to a rooftop bar in Bangkok?
I haven't yet, but I really want to go to. That's one of the highlights of coming to Bangkok is going to a rooftop.
Yeah, I've been to one. I've been to one rooftop bar 2 years ago when I was here. It was nice. Like at nighttime, you could just see all the lights of the city. Really beautiful. But the drinks are quite expensive. Like,
I believe it. You usually have to buy a drink to go up there.
Yeah. I mean, you pay for the view. And also, if you want food, they have food as well. So you can get whatever you want, but it is more expensive, but the view is super nice. Also, there's a bar in Korea in Lotte Tower. I don't know which floor, but there's also a bar there. And I went there as well, and I remember the cheapest drink was $30.
Wow.
And it was just like this Manhattan.
Oh yeah, Manhattan.
All I know is that drink was strong, because I drank it and I felt it. I was like, ooh, strong. I had that there, and then here I think it's similarly priced.
I did go to a rooftop.
Like one of those high rooftops?
Yeah, it was called King Power, Mahonakan King Power. And it's that rooftop with the glass floor. You can look down on it.
Oh. I don't know which one I went to. I just went to one that was like in a popular area.
Actually, I thought you could see it from here, but I guess not.
No, I just went one that was in like the Sukhumvit area, like on the Green Line. I forget exactly where it was, but I went to one that was over there.
You don't know how big this park is, how many square
No, I have no idea.
kilometers.
It's big, but I think there are bigger parks in Korea. Like I think Seoul Forest is bigger than this.
I think Korea has more green spaces than Bangkok does.
Yeah, because Korea has like mountains and stuff, and a lot of the mountains are just like untouched because it's hard to build on the mountains. So,
Oh, there's a bunch of
What is
lizards that they have here that live naturally. I remember seeing it online.
that's a lizard?
Yeah, it's I don't think it's a Komodo dragon. I think it's a monitor lizard.
That thing is big, man. Holy.
Yeah,
It kind of looks like a snake when it swims like
There's
that.
a ton that roam around this park.
And its tongue really looks like a snake. And this type of animal is a reptile. This is a reptile. Dude, that really looks like a snake.
Let me double check. I think I saved it.
Do you think this thing will attack you?
Oh yeah, I wouldn't get too close to it.
Actually?
Like they do get fed
Oh, by who? By just
by
people?
the park staff, but yeah, it's called a monitor lizard.
A monitor lizard. I've never seen one of those.
Crazy, right?
It doesn't seem scared though.
Wow. There's got to be more though. Keep my eyes peeled for them.
For real. Those things look crazy, honestly.
They kind of look like a Komodo dragon, but Komodo dragons
Yeah.
are a lot bigger.
And more dangerous, right?
Oh yeah, they're vicious.
Damn, that was cool.
That was
Too bad
cool.
it wasn't like a giant snake that just like... Yo, there's another one right there, Leon.
Ooh, it's sleeping. You think these two will fight?
Get them flicked up for the fight.
Damn. I'm ready to run though.
So right now we are in the heart of the park. So let's have a little adjective lesson. Let's learn some adjectives here. Look around me and think of some adjectives to describe my environment, to describe the people, to describe me. So the first thing I notice is that it is calm here. It's pretty calm and quiet and very peaceful. It's not busy, it's not crowded, so it's nice. The sun is also setting, so that just adds to the calmness. Also, maybe it's because it's currently dry season, but the park is not very green. It's not very green. You can see it's very dry. There is not a lot of grass, so it's not very green. More yellow, I think. The trees are green, or sorry, the leaves of the trees are green. The leaves are green. Right now, the area we're in is quite shady. It's shady, and also it's cool. Like I'm not hot at all. Like, this is a nice temperature to be at right now. I am cool. I'm cool. So cool also has, you know, different meanings. So cool could just be like not hot, right? So the opposite, so cool. But cool can also be like, yo, what's up? That's cool. Like cool. Like, oh, that guy, he's cool. He's not cool like this, like cold. He's not that cool. He's cool as in like shades on, sitting back, maybe a drink in his hand. He's cool, you know? So this area is just pretty relaxing. So those are just some simple adjectives you can use to describe this area, this environment, the people. Everyone does seem very relaxed here. And you can just hear the birds chirping in the background, the crows as well. And then you have those lizards, the monitor lizards, just walking around. Like some of them were quite well camouflaged. Like Leon got that. Or like I just saw its tail and I literally thought it was part of the root from the tree because it was right beside the tree. I thought it was the root. And then I was looking, I'm like, so I said to Leon, yo, there's a lizard there. And it was, but he was sleeping.
You could easily step on it.
Yeah, like that's why now I'm like walking. If you're on the path there, obviously you can see a lizard because it's paved, right? You can clearly see, but here, they're like really camouflaged, right? They're camouflaged, so you can't really see them. They blend in very well with the ground here and their surroundings. So it's kind of hard to see them and notice them. And they love being by the water, so you just gotta be careful about the water. Okay, so that noise we heard was someone breaking a chair. Okay, so someone, those two people back there, they sat on a chair and just broke because I heard a sound and there were 4 people there and they broke a chair, but I could see he brought it to the back there. But it's a plastic chair. Plastic chairs break quite often, so.
That's true, especially in the heat. They get brittle.
Yeah, they get very brittle and very fragile, and then sometimes they break when you sit on them. Also, sometimes people play pranks on their friends and run up and kick the back of the legs while their friend is sitting on it and it breaks with them on it. It's funny.
I've seen that before, it's pretty hilarious.
I see a lot of videos like that. It's funny. It's funny. As long as they don't like fall down a hill after or something, or off a house. But I think we're gonna keep on walking through this really beautiful park because it's like a nice time of day to come. Like the sun is starting to set. It's almost 5:30 p.m. It's golden hour and just good vibes here. I like it. Calm. It's the day after New Year's, so it's January 2nd. Let's continue. I have only a little bit of water left, but I don't think I'll need it since I'm not really sweating. It's not hot. It's not sunny. So let's go. Okay, so now we're on the train and we're heading back to our accommodation. Probably like half
ส
an
ถา
hour
นี
till
ต่อ
we get
ไป
home.
ราชเทวี
Okay, so we're having dinner now. I'm not sure what this is called.
It's called mu kata.
What?
Mu, like a cow, kata.
Kata.
Yeah.
So moon kata, I guess it's called. I've never had this and I've never seen it.
It's like Thai Korean barbecue.
Yeah, and there's like a soup on the side. It looks, or you've had it.
I haven't had it before, but I've seen it a lot.
No, it looks really good. What they give you is like this. This is like a bucket that they cut holes in, and then they put a bunch of coals on the inside, and they heat it up really hot so that it boils the water on the side, and then on the top it's just like metal, so it's like a barbecue, and then you cook the meat on top, and then all the oils and juices and stuff float into the soup on the side. It's pretty cool, and then it's unlimited meat, so we have some meat on the side. They also have some sides here, and I believe this is the sauce they use, and they give us a bucket of ice.
Yeah, don't use the ice.
Yeah, I'm not gonna use the ice because that make me sick. Might make me sick, but they also give us water on the side in this teapot.
Once the water starts boiling down a bit, you can keep adding it.
Yeah, and then drink it, and yeah. I've never had this before, but it looks super good.
Yeah, it's a good idea too, because all that meat juice is just gonna make this soup better.
Yeah, hopefully we don't get sick because usually unlimited meat is... Like, how much is this?
119 baht.
Really?
And you have unlimited time too.
That seems like a good deal.
Yeah.
Maybe because we're in like a neighborhood.
Yeah, we're definitely locals. Like, we're definitely the only foreigners here.
If you're serious about becoming fluent in English, I've built a full speaking and pronunciation course that shows you exactly what to do step by step. You get instant access to 80+ video lessons right away, and I add 3 to 5 brand new lessons every week so you can keep improving consistently. And this is not just a course full of random videos. You'll get an exclusive ChatGPT prompt that allows you to master the pronunciation of any word, plus a clear practice structure so you always know exactly how to study, what to focus on, and how to make real progress. Inside, we work on pronunciation, accent, rhythm, and natural speaking, so you can stop hesitating, sound more natural, and speak English with real confidence. Join today in the description. Okay, so we got our food here. I got my noodles. These noodles look good, nice and brown. And this is like a sauce bowl, but... Oh yeah, we got a piece of meat on the side here. And this is like a chili, some sort of chili sauce. It's more sweet than spicy, so it's like a sweet and sour sauce. And I think you dip the meat in there. Oh no, some lettuce.
I think that's cabbage.
Looks like lettuce. My first time having this, and I just chose like every meat. I don't really know what's what. It kind of all looks like pork to me, but...
Yeah, if you guys know what kind of meat these are, put it down in the comments.
Yeah, and also we have some of that. Oh, I like these type of mushrooms, shiitake, or no, these aren't shiitake.
Enoki.
Enoki. Whatever they're called. These are fire. I like the crunch they have. This is pretty good. I like this. I'll mix your noodles up here on the side.
Thank you.
But yeah, this is what we're having for dinner. Overall, looks pretty good. My first time trying it. And it's pretty cheap here. Overall, dinner was very good. It just took a long time to cook the meat, but we ate enough. This is the biggest park in Bangkok, right?
Yep.
The train comes every 2 minutes. Oh no, they would deport me like on site, I think. Have you been to a rooftop bar in Bangkok? The mountains are just like untouched because it's hard to build on the mountains. And this type of animal is a reptile. This is a reptile. It's pretty calm and quiet. This is quite shady. It's shady and also it's cool. Everyone does seem very relaxed here. They're like really camouflaged, right? They're camouflaged.
They get brittle.
Yeah, they get very brittle and very fragile. 5:30 p.m. It's golden hour and just good vibes here. This is like a bucket that they cut holes in. I got my noodles. These noodles look good, nice and brown. Overall, looks pretty good. My first time trying it. You will become fluent in English.